Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Welcome to this lovely 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom house that is for sale. This house is 3,065 square feet and is being sold furnished. It is located in the upscale neighborhood of Farm Pen, Savanna-la-mar, Westmoreland. It has an electronic gate and a large veranda, back porch, a nice gazebo, and a bonus section about 340 square feet that can be used for additional entertainment. The master bedroom has ensuite his and hers bathroom with jacuzzi and shower. The master bedroom and a black office chair are excluded from the sale. This property comes with fruit trees and enclosed backyard garden, as well as beautiful flower garden lining the driveway and the front of the house. A water tank and water heater are also yours to enjoy. All amenities are close by, and the Negril white sand beach is just about 30 minutes away. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 35 million or US $227.4 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.